Hey everyone, I'm starting a project that I'm pretty happy about. I got a 1966 Mustang to get ready for the International Motoring Festival. Not a lot of work to do to it, straighten it up here and there. It's actually a very beautiful car. Friend of mine, Daniel, he wants it fixed up and ready for his car show. I'll keep in touch with you according as we go, and I'll let you know how we're getting along with it. Maybe you'll see it at the International Motoring Festival. Well everyone, that was a long day, but we got her stripped, all interiors out of it, getting ready to paint her. Got to paint the red inside, black outside, everything stripped off, piled neatly, as neat as I can, because when I go to put stuff back together, I like to have a little bit of organization to it. So hopefully things will go good and we'll see this thing all nice and shiny sometime very soon.